Get to know the App Store. The go-to place on the Up phone to download apps is the App Store. Let's get to know the App Store, what sets it apart from other app stores, and how to get the most out of it. The App Store is part of the full collection of core privacy apps from Unplugged, which we call the Up Suite. This is the recommended resource to get apps for your Up phone. Let's start with the basics: setting up your smartphone and App Store access. Your Up Suite account is set up and managed through the App Store. The same username and password can log in to all the apps in the Up Suite, including Up Messenger, Up VPN, Up Antivirus, and Up Support. However, each app will separately need to be opened and login confirmed. We've also added separate logouts for each of the Up Suite apps. For example, a user can log out of antivirus but stay logged in to the other apps. At this stage, it is important to note that to protect your security and privacy while using the Up Messenger, you'll generate additional encryption keys, sessions, and a secure backup, which you control specifically for the Messenger. That's a discussion for a different video. To set up your account, open the App Store for the first time. You'll be prompted to create an account. From there, you will choose your display name. This is an optional field. The name others will see when you are using Up Messenger in the chats and the rooms that you join. Your username. It's important to remember your username exactly as you enter it here, as you'll need your username, not email, to log in. Your email. Your password. Choose a strong password consisting of letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll confirm this password. Finally, you'll be prompted to read and accept the terms and conditions, and you'll have the option to subscribe to email updates and privacy tips. Most of our customers are subscribers, as Unplugged is not the type of company to send overly frequent email updates, and you can change this setting at any time right inside the App Store app. What happens if I lose my password? You can reset your App Store Up Suite password by following these simple steps. 1. Open App Store on your Up phone. 2. On the login screen, enter your username. Please note that entering your email will not work. 3. Select the Forgot Password option. 4. You should receive an email with instructions to safely reset your password. If you encounter any issues, please reach out to our support team from our support portal or by emailing support@unplugged.com. How to apply your premium subscription coupon code? To apply your coupon code, you will follow these simple steps. 1. Go to the App Store app. 2. Open the menu by clicking the top left menu. 3. Select Account. 4. Scroll down and select Upgrade to Premium. 5. Use the coupon field to apply your coupon code. You're all set!